Good morning. It is a chilly, wet day, but I will take that over cold and snowy like we had a few weeks ago. I have a list of bridges I want to go find in Atchison County, Missouri. There's 8 of them on my list. It's an ambitious list, and I'm going to do them in reverse order. I made the order in relation to north, south, east, and west, and one that's on the bottom of my list is at the south end of the county, and I'm going to work my way north in the county. So anyway, shall we? Well, I'm getting closer to my next bridge, but that's the road I'm on. So hopefully it don't run out. Alright, so I made it to the Atchison County County Road 208 bridge. It's closed to traffic, and I imagine it's been closed to traffic for some time. Not very long ago, this was all underwater. And we'll go over here. Looks like somebody set fire to the bridge. Lovely. You can see where it's been burned. Now, believe it or not, that probably didn't affect the strength of the bridge any, because all the heat went up from that steel. It's pretty amazing what these bridges can go through and still be usable. But, like I said, it's been underwater several times, and it's amazing. They have a height limit. Alright, so I stepped out on the bridge here, just a little bit, not too far. There's all sorts of stuff down there from previous floods. That's the old sign, probably saying the bridge was closed. But if you look on that house over there, and that outbuilding and the other buildings, you will see the water line from the previous floods. And like I said, it wasn't that long ago that it was flooded, a year or so ago. But anyway, on to the next one. I am almost to the next bridge. It is the Tarkio River County Route 394 bridge. It's just down here. So far, 2 of the bridges on my list have been replaced with modern bridges. So I didn't stop at those. I didn't take pictures or anything like that. But they were also on some very busy highways. This one's just right up here. And it is a pony truss bridge. And when we get there, we'll give us more information on it. Alright, well, hopefully the wind ain't too bad. But I'm at the Tarkio River County Road 394 bridge. It is a pony truss bridge, built 1975. It has a concrete deck and a load rating of 15 tons. And you can see that a lot of the local Rembrandts have come down here. So, on to the next one. I know, it's not that exciting. Woo! Clunky, clunky. It's not a wooden deck bridge. But I'm going to drive over it twice, because the next bridge is a little west and north of me. There we go. We hit the steel plate again. This is one of the things. It gets a little iffy sometimes. You've seen in some of my other videos. This road's actually in pretty decent condition. But It's an old road. See how high the banks are on the left and right. So we're almost to the next one. This next bridge is called the Cow Branch County Road 232 Bridge. And it's just around the bend up here. So, hopefully the wind noise ain't too bad. This is the Cow Branch County Road 232 5-panel Parker Pony Truss Bridge. There's panel 1, panel 2, panel 3 is in the middle, panel 4, and panel 5 on the end. Here on the right we have a little bit of rail damage. It's been repaired. And if you listen real close, hang on. She's got a little bit of bounce to her. Deck is in really good condition. I have no idea when the last time it was replaced, but I don't see any rot. Bridge is about 90 years old, built around 1930. So I've got my photos for the website, and I don't know if I'm going to go to the next two or not. Well, maybe the next one. There's one on private property that I might be able to see from the highway, but I don't want to walk to it. But I don't know. We'll see. I am in Rockport, Missouri at the Rock Creek Bridge. It is a Parker panel through truss. It has a walking bridge built across it. It still carries utilities, which is pretty cool. It's still green, the green paint, as you can see. Let's see here. When was this bridge built? It doesn't say. Okay. But, the rain picked up. Almost got that raindrop in my eyeball. You see where the beaver and geese have been down there. Alright, well, I got one more I want to go look at. It's supposedly on private property. We'll see when I get there. Woo! Alright, so I'm almost to this bridge. It's on private property. Or at least the website says it's on private property. I haven't checked to see if it's still a viable right-of-way. But it's right there on the right. And it's still there. It looks to be in pretty good shape. But it very much appears that it's on private property. Because that would be the roadway to get to it. be in that barn today. So I'm not even going to fool with trying to take a picture of it or nothing like that. And this is County Highway B. And it is in horrible condition. A few miles back they put up a sign that said rough road. Yeah, that's kind of an understatement. It'll rattle your teeth out. But anyway, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. And if you haven't, do subscribe. I appreciate it very much. I will see you later. Holy crap.